Hi, my name is Bill Tompkins. I'm the Senior Vice President. Can we start over again? Oh, okay, cool. Oh, I like it. Yeah, right. We just keep going. All right, I like it. So you catch all my flaws and everything. I love it. All right.
Hi, I'm Daniel Rubio. I'm a crap. What is my title? So I always say estimator, but they call it something else here.
The difference between the both. And I'll give you three important points. No, hold on. Too much talk. I usually try to not talk so much.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Bill Tompkins. I'm the Senior Vice President here. Look at that crap. All right. Hi, my name is Bill Tompkins. I'm the Senior Vice President here. Oh my gosh, I can't even get my name right.
I'm getting the cold sweats. I can't do this.
Their long-standing commitment and loyalty have been instrumental in our continued success. That's okay, man. We're good. I hope we got that. That'll be a blooper.
Oh, okay. You didn't say nothing, man. Yeah, you say you're good now. No, 1, 2, 3, cut, or Okay.
So in addition to roofing, if you need waterproofing, we can add that to your project as well. Yeah, I don't know what else to say.
Much thicker is more robust. So it's
Hi, my name is Bill Tompkins. I'm the Senior Vice President of Commercial Sales.
Poder darle la mejor atención que podamos a nuestros clientes.